You got your TX22, but who likes muzzle rise? Let's put a compensator on it by Tandemkross. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put on this TX22 compensator by Tandemkross.
Oh my God, Greenlonely, that's you.
So this 22 compensator by Tandemkross is stainless steel. It has an easy clean coating on it. It's heat treated and chemical resistant O-ring. Allows you to properly time the compensator, but additionally it allows for that nice good tight fit between the compensator and the actual barrel. So what a compensator does, guys, it adds weight to the front of the pistol. It allows for better balance, and it reduces the muzzle rise when shooting, which leads to improved accuracy even when you're moving between targets. And oh yeah, it looks so sexy, but what do these little things do? Well, I'm glad you asked. They vent gas at a 45-degree angle from out of the compensator, which allows for better control and visibility when shooting. The next thing about Tandemkross and this 22 compensator that's awesome is that it's made in the USA and has a lifetime guarantee. So if you ever have an issue, problem with it, scratches, dents, dings to a certain manner that's taken off the coating, that is an easy clean coating, you just hit up Tandemkross, they send you a new one, and I mean it's pretty straightforward, man. So let's go ahead and install this thing. What you're gonna simply need to take off this TX22's barrel thread protector is either a 14mm or a 9/16 socket. Now guys, I loosened mine just a little bit, and when you tighten it, you don't want it to be anything crazy tight, but you know, also don't have it just be loose goosey out there. So you just put on the 9/16 at the end of it and just turn, and wow, look at that. That's amazing. It's coming right off. No problems, no issues. It's not scratched up. It's not marred. No problem, no issue. So you take it off. Oh, but wait, you said you want to see it with the 14? Okay, so this is a little easier. So you kind of just shimmy it on there. Don't do anything too crazy, guys, because again, you don't want to damage it, and it's not going to go fully way on there. You don't want to get it fully way on there, but you just shimmy it on there, and that's literally it. Same thing for tightening it. Just tighten it and then shimmy it off. Oop. Wow, look how simple and easy that is. So again, to reiterate the point, if you don't have a specific barrel thread remover wrench for it, use a 14, just be careful, shimmy it on there, break it, or use a 9/16. So now what we're gonna do is put on this Tandemkross compensator. So the first thing we're gonna do is pick it up and jam it. I was just kidding, guys. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take this nice beautiful O-ring and push it right up in there. So now that that's on, we're gonna take this washer right here, and we're just gonna put it exactly where I know it's gonna go. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your compensator and you're just gonna thread it onto the barrel, guys. Nothing too crazy. You're just gonna push down and thread. Guys, I tell you right now, this TX22 compensator from Tandemkross looks so damn good on it. I mean, it looks really good. I can't even start to tell you how good it looks on it. It looks way better in person than it probably even does on this camera. So that's how you install it. That's a couple facts about it, guys. So that's it, guys. That's how you install the compensator by Tandemkross. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you like, what you didn't like. Tell me what you think I could have did to make the video better for you, or to give you more information on the product that was just installed on this TX22. But until next time, guys, remember, we tactical and we guardians, and we love the Second Amendment over here. So you either catching law or lead.